In this video, I will guide you on how to enable dark mode on Walmart app. As of now, Walmart does not have a native dark mode setting built into its menu. So the first thing you want to do is check if Walmart follows your device's system theme automatically. To check, you want to turn on dark mode on your device. Now open Walmart and check if Walmart has turned into dark mode. If not, then the another way is to force dark mode. For that, open your phone settings, go to About Phone. Here tap on Software Update. Now tap on the build number 7 times rapidly. Enter your lock screen PIN when prompted to unlock the developer menu. Now head over to the developer options. Here, find the option of Force Dark Mode, then toggle this option on. Now close the Walmart app completely from your recent apps view, then open it again. It should now display in dark mode. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.